everybody. Hi, guys. I got a friend here. This is Stacy.
Hello.
You want to tell everybody your page?
Yes, my page is Wilshire Collections. I am a decorator and DIYer, but I'm not a bow expert, so that's why I'm here with Glee.
Awesome. So we're going to play with some of Damon and Parker's ribbon. We're excited to play with. Look at how pretty. How pretty. We're really excited about it. So we're going to use an easy bow maker, you guys. And Damon has these over on Deco Exchange if you've never used one before.
Okay.
We are going to start off with our widest ribbon first.
Okay.
So I'm just going to do my side and then I'll hand it to you and you can do yours. Okay. So, you ready? It's exciting. It's exciting.
It is exciting.
So, since we're pretty much wreath makers, our tails are usually 20 inches.
Okay.
So, we start off with the first tail.
Okay.
So, we're going to put that in. I'm going to bring it right to the center. Okay?
Okay.
Just like that. That's the first part. We made our tail.
Okay.
Then we just take it and twist it. And so,
Okay.
one hand goes forward, the other goes back.
Okay.
Okay? And then I start to make my loops. So, here I'm going to go in at usually 6 or 7 inches,
Okay.
depending how big. We usually don't go much past that.
Okay.
So I will do 7.
Okay.
And then I do another twist like this.
Okay.
One forward, one back. And the reason we're doing that is we have to keep the
Right.
we have to keep putting the pretty side back on the front,
back
y'all.
on the front.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
So I'm going over here at 7.
7. Just
And
like
then
the
I'm
other
going
side.
to twist again. Because I'm going to do a couple loops of this. So the cool thing when you build a bow this way is you can build it up. You get to see it made right in front of you.
Right.
As
right.
opposed to a bow in your hand, you work from the front back. So it's a little bit different.
Yes, you're having to like flip
Yes.
it to see what you're doing. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's a little bit nice. You see it building
Yeah.
out. So here's
Okay.
7 and twist. We're going to do that same thing.
Okay.
And I usually do 2 in the back, but that's up to you. You can have all kind of different recipe. My Blue Merinos know we call our recipes out from half of the
Okay.
bow. So far our recipe is started with 2.
2.
2.
And then
Okay.
you'll cut that the same
Yes,
size as
and
that. Okay.
yeah, we'll just trim these the same.
Okay.
Okay, so why don't you get started on the
Okay.
glitter part of yours? Okay, and you guys can dovetail them or cut them at an angle. I don't usually just do angles, see how they're opposite each other, just like that.
Okay. How do I go to the 20?
So there's really not a 20 on there, but if you go the whole length of the bow maker,
Okay.
it's 20 inches.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's good. So kind of mark that with your other hand. You're not going to cut anything yet. Yeah.
Oh, that's right.
You're cool. You're cool.
Put those scissors down.
Okay. Okay. I'm getting ahead of myself. Got it.
You're good. And
Now
just
bring it up into the middle.
Bring it all the way and just set it in the center. You don't
Okay.
have to twist or anything yet.
Okay.
Okay.
On in there.
And
Got
then
it.
you're going to now give it that
Twist.
twist. One will go forward, the other is, you did it.
I did it.
Bingo.
Okay.
Okay, first part done.
Okay.
You're going to form the loop on that side at 7 inches.
How do I do that again? Just
Okay,
like that?
Yeah. Just kind of put
Okay.
a finger there and kind of help yourself loop back around.
Okay. 7. That's 7.
And then bring it back
To the middle.
Yeah. I know, it's a little cumbersome. Your first
Okay.
start.
And then
twist again. You got
twist.
it. Yeah.
I did it.
Yay.
Okay. Now I'm doing 7
Same
on this
thing.
side.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, y'all. This is easy.
This is so easy. You got this.
Okay. In the middle.
Twist again. We're going to do 2 loops. If that works.
Does that work?
Yeah, that works fine.
Okay.
And now make another one. And you can just measure it on the top if you want.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Go back up this way with it.
Okay, so you got it. You got to twist it again.
Oh, it
See how
came
you have the
untwisted.
wrong side. Yep. So just
Oh.
get a little harder twist.
Okay.
Now.
Now bring it. I was like, that is not working. Got it.
You got it. Get a little excess so you're not fighting.
Okay.
There you go.
All right. Got those even.
Uh-huh.
Now twist. You twist it the same way. Like,
I change it every time.
okay. So
that-
now this time I want to.
the opposite from that, the other way.
No.
So this side, because I want that back more.
Oh.
so
Okay.
this
Yeah.
way.
Gotcha.
And
Gotcha.
that's why it changes each time
Each
because
time.
you want the other side to flip around.
Yes.
You know, got it. You're almost there.
Got it. Okay.
You're getting there. You're getting there.
No.
And then don't. Okay, so
No. Don't twist here.
don't twist here because we've done our
'Cause
2
we've done
loops
it.
on each
Okay.
side.
Now I use my scissors.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
She's so excited about those scissors.
She's gonna danger us.
Oh, it's okay.
Well, tell us, are these the good ones?
Yeah.
Here, use the good ones.
Using the
We know. We know. And if you more enjoy dovetailing, you can always dovetail your ribbon.
Okay.
When you come to your next layer in the bow, you want to decrease a little bit so it kind of brings that bow to the center.
Right.
Gives you that look. So I'll just cut this at an angle. And we also decrease our tail length.
Okay.
You guys, I do bows every Wednesday on the Khalees page. So if you need help, come join us.
She's your girl.
So same thing, I do it 2 inches shorter.
Okay.
So once again, these are going to stagger too.
Right.
We're making wreaths, so we like for those tails to line up real pretty.
Yeah.
And twist. So same this direction because I want the back side up. Now you can do any kind of recipe you want, but we're going to just use one. Okay. And we were at 7, so we'll go down by ½ inch. So 6.5.
Okay.
And twist. Okay.
Okay.
6.5 over here. And I'm not going to do any more loops, so I scrunch it.
Oh, so you're just doing one
Yeah.
of that. Okay.
Yeah, so okay, you
Cool.
can rock and roll, get going on your next
All
layer.
right.
And if you want, you can spread apart the loops now so you can kind of see it start to build up for
Right.
you. And you guys can see this is what we got
So
so
if
far.
I have 2 inches, that'll be 18.
Yes,
Or do
exactly.
you measure it like, okay.
Yeah, and you can do it that way. It's perfect.
Okay.
You can have a good measurement. So you got your 18.
I got my 18.
Okay, fantastic. Now
Okay.
hold the mark.
Okay.
Bring to
Bring
the
it
center.
to the center.
And
Got
that's
it.
just the tail. Okay, but
Okay.
you do have to twist because we're going to start a
Right.
loop. We don't want to flip this side, we want to flip that side.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
so there you go.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Okay.
You're doing great.
Okay. Now we'll do.
We're going to go a little bit shorter. So if
Okay.
you just spread these a little, you can get to 6.5. Okay. So
Okay.
over here, 6.5. You can see it.
Okay.
And that way it'll taper in towards the middle.
Right.
Oh,
Okay.
I'm gonna help. Don't
I know you
worry.
are. You're a great teacher. Okay. So then that a little
Okay.
bit shorter. I did something wrong.
You're fine. We don't have to twist yet. See, I'm gonna
Okay.
twist.
Now you twist it.
We're
Okay.
always gonna twist as soon as you say, "Oh, why does that look wrong?" It's
Right. Because
I
you
gotta
haven't
get
done the
back to
twist,
the
and then
front.
you come back.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
And we're doing 6.5. Yep.
All right
Good.
there.
Yep. And now scrunch.
And now
You can
scrunch.
cut your tail.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yay. All right.
Okay.
So now we're gonna bring a little red to pop in to the top. And I'll go a little bit shorter again. So we were at 20-inch tail, and then we were at 18. So now we're gonna be at 16.
16.
Which, that's kind of a good tail for most projects.
Okay.
If they're not like a bigger.
Not a
braid
bigger,
or something.
yeah.
Yeah. So now I'm just gonna repeat my pattern again where I have the 2.
Okay.
But I'm gonna go 6 inches.
6
Just a little
inches.
bit
Another-
shorter.
Yep.
Yeah. So I'm gonna measure it 6, twist, measure it 6 and twist.
Okay.
Okay. This is cute with the lime on the edge.
Oh, so you're doing 2 of those.
We're gonna do 2. So our recipe is a 2, 1, 2.
Right.
That's where we are right now.
Okay.
And the reason we had to come up with a way to label the bows like that is it's too confusing in our wreath shop when we had employees helping make wreaths. So we could clarify what we were
you
talking
did.
about.
Yes,
Yeah.
that makes sense.
Okay. I'll grab it right
Okay. Yeah. Close enough. Close enough. Okay.
And twist.
And which side?
And this one we want to lay
We want
flat,
this one
opposite.
like that?
Nope.
Nope. Other way?
Other way.
Okay.
There you go. Now, and you're going to make your loop over there.
Okay. And it was gonna be. I'm not
A little
twisting
bit
hard
harder.
enough.
Yeah, just a
Yeah.
little bit harder. You actually are flipping. On this ribbon, it's hard to tell because it looks kind of good on the
Right.
side.
It does. Yeah.
But the
Okay.
reason we still want to flip it is
6.
so it won't slide in the middle. Otherwise, if you don't flip it, it can pull a little longer if someone were to grab your piece. We're always selling our wreaths, so.
And this one's going at.
Oh, we're going at 6 inches.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bring it all in. And twist this one first.
Oh, twist it before I go. Which way? Why do
You got it right. You got it right this
Okay.
time. It's a little confusing.
Yeah.
It's easier when you can tell the back of the ribbon. It's
Right.
harder on the
Right.
side. Yeah. You got it.
I got it. I got it. Okay.
Now we're going to do our next one. We're going to
Okay.
make 2 on each side.
So I gotta bring it back through the middle.
Concentrate so hard.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's correct. You got it.
Got it. Got it, y'all.
Do it again.
Okay.
You're almost there.
Almost there. And twist it.
Yeah.
This. No, the other way.
That's
Yeah.
You got it.
Got
You're
it,
getting
y'all.
the hang
I'm
of it.
getting it. I'm getting
Woo,
it.
pretty good.
All right.
Oh, you need another loop.
Oh, heck.
That's
okay.
okay.
Sorry.
You got the twist. You're good.
Okay.
So just make your second loop on this side. How's that? And then you will come back with your tail. Now you don't have to twist.
Okay.
It's gonna be good on this.
Just
one.
scrunch it
Yeah,
down.
Scrunch it. Yeah. Got it.
Got it. Okay.
And you just yes. Okay, so this one's gonna be a little bit shorter.
Okay.
So I think we're down to 12 inches. And I'm gonna twist. And then this will just be a little pop, 5 inches. Okay? So it doesn't really matter how much you decrease. You just need to do a little at a
little
time.
smaller.
So
Okay.
you can see all the loops and they don't cover each other.
Right.
Okay, I
Okay.
got that, and I'll scrunch it. So you want to fluff yours out just a little bit, where you get
Okay.
everybody. You don't have to do too much. Just
Right.
spread it out. Oh, this is pretty. This is really pretty. I love what you picked up.
All right. Down.
Yeah. Okay, so we got to do our twist. Now.
Okay. Which way?
So we want to put the wrong side forward.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay.
Now we're going to make that loop at 5.
Okay. One at about 5.
Yeah.
Okay.
Great. Perfect. I know it's.
It gets easier,
It
right?
does get a lot easier. Okay,
Now
so
one
we're ready
more?
for our twist.
Oh,
Yeah.
twist,
So
okay.
twist every time we need
Yep.
to make a loop, we gotta
Okay.
Okay.
So they're all cheering around like you're doing great.
They are like super fans.
I'll find some way to mess that up.
Oh, yeah, I have. Don't worry. Put that in.
Scrunch it.
Wait,
You don't have
no.
to twist now.
Oh, I don't have to twist because we're at the
Do the
end.
tail. Yeah. You got
We
it.
did it. Scrunch. Cut
They're
it.
calling it the super bow.
The super bow.
Oh.
That's right.
Good one, Michelle.
I love the super bow.
Okay. Woo! Now what?
So this might really blow your mind. We don't use wire. We use
Okay.
cable
Zip ties?
Yeah, zip ties or
Okay.
cable ties. So you're gonna just take a zip tie and run it. Just don't do anything but run it just right underneath. We're just setting it right beside the dowel.
On either side?
It doesn't matter yet.
Okay.
We are gonna, as we start to pull it off, we'll start to just like shimmy it to the middle.
Okay. Yeah.
But we don't do anything until we get this. Put a finger on top now while you're holding both ends.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
And you're gonna gently just bring it up.
Bring
You
it
don't want it to pop off. So you see my finger on top here.
Oh, yes.
That's we
Okay.
don't want to lose all our work.
Right. Oh, that would be so sad.
And you're gonna
Okay.
make it a little tight. Generally, make it a little tight before you take it off.
Before
So,
it takes.
so in case you mess up,
Oh,
it
right.
doesn't fall apart.
Okay.
You're doing good. Now don't get too tight.
Oh, okay.
I'm sorry.
No, you're good. You're good.
I'm sorry. Okay, so now take this, rotate that between your fingers. So it looks like this. And you're holding pressure, but it's not all the way tight. See? You guys see? We still got to get a lot tight.
Okay. I would.
So the reason we love cable ties is they make it really tight in the center, tighter than you can get wire. Or,
Okay.
Or a
Yes,
pipe
I
cleaner.
can see that for
And they
sure.
make it really explode out of the middle and be really. Of course, this is all wired ribbon we're working with.
Right. And
All
that
from
is
Deco
what you
Exchange. Yes.
recommend. Am I
Go
doing
ahead.
it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Do it however you want.
Okay.
I take and separate.
Oh heck, that looks so much. Okay.
I know,
Look.
it's okay. It's okay. It
But-
just, you're doing
Hey,
great.
hold that up. Let's see that.
It's good. It's really good.
It just needs to be fluffed more.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You
So
know.
as you're taking it, right? We haven't got it tight yet.
Okay.
Watch, it's gonna turn out beautiful.
Okay.
So watch. I'm gonna take and separate these out.
Yeah.
Okay, because then we want that green to go in the middle
Okay.
and the red. Oh, this is beautiful. All it needed was some loving.
Yeah.
Look at that. So the other thing we didn't mention is you have to put your attachment in now. So if you're going to make these for stale, like to put on your stairs, the railing,
Right.
so you want to put a wire or something like that. But on our wreath making, we can just use a cable tie back here because it's not going to come off.
Okay.
And then we'll just get it really, really tight.
So then that's what you'll use to attach to whatever you're
Yeah,
attaching
so
it
this
to.
was what will go to the wreath.
Yeah.
We'll cut the pointy part off. Uh-oh.
Very pretty.
Let's show you guys on camera.
Let's see the bow off.
The bow off.
That is so cute.
Oh, super cute.
Super cute.
Super cute. And you can totally change the recipes up a million ways.
Yeah.
You can see how flexible it is.
So fun. That was so fun. You're such a good teacher.
Yay!